providing power solutions across diverse industries in India. Powerica's reach extended from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa to Maharashtra, delivering energy solutions tailored to regional needs. From Bangalore to Mumbai, Calicut to Pune, our journey was marked by key engagements and collaborations. CPCB IV+ generators represent an advancement in environmental compliance, helping reduce emissions and promote cleaner energy use. These generators traveled across India, delivering next-generation emission-compliant solutions to a wide range of industries. At Powerica, our people are the core of our strength, contributing to every success every step of the way. We've supported installations across the country, delivering reliable energy solutions for industrial and infrastructure applications. In the wind energy sector, we continue to advance with dependable, technologically sophisticated systems that support sustainable growth. Our medium-speed, large generators are engineered for consistent performance, offering reliability and precision in energy delivery. We've extended our solutions across states and into strategic applications, including sectors that require dependable power infrastructure. Powerica delivers dependable energy systems for high-importance operations. In our factories, precision engineering and robust manufacturing come together to deliver scalable, high-quality power systems. Built for operational efficiency, with a focus on quality and scale, we continue to support industrial growth sustainably. In 2024, our social initiatives included work in education, healthcare, and sustainability, reaching communities across geographies. Through structured CSR programs, we extended our efforts to positively impact lives across varied sections of society.